Good morning. Welcome to Van Meter Elementary. This is Mr. Jones, the elementary PE teacher, as your narrator. It's Friday. It's cooperative activities. Today we have Strengthening Our Systems 2. Last week we had Strengthening Our Systems 1. Today we've modified a few of the stations and we have added a couple. So right here our skeletal system is the same. We're still grabbing a piece of a yarn ball or rubber ball, which represents calcium. And we are running and we're jumping over a hurdle. We're changing the height based on grade. Kindergarten is the size you see now. Second and third will be two blue step aerobics boxes, and fourth and fifth will have the hurdle on top of two step aerobics boxes. So you run and jump twice, place it in the black bucket, simply run back and repeat. Once you're done, you go down to the far end as a team and you work on putting the skeleton together. Alright, so once a skeleton, you're trying to achieve all that in 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Right over here, this is a new station today. This is represents our digestive system. Okay, so in here, this box represents our refrigerator. And in there are different pieces of food that I have had my cadet go ahead and laminate and cut out for magazines. So they grab a piece of food, like obviously, for example, we have all kinds of stuff. Alright, I have a cantaloupe here, other things like that, pizza, fruits, vegetables. So they go down here, imagine they're eating the food and they're going to simply zigzag around the cones here, similar to how the food travels through our small intestine and then obviously ultimately our large intestine, and our body is deriving nutrients from it, so we're going out and around the cone. Apologize if you're getting sick, just trying to give you a bird's eye view. Then we go ahead and we drop the food into the bucket, and then we simply run back around the outer edge and grab another piece of food and continue. Our group is trying to get all the food from the fridge through the digestive system into the other container at the end. Another new system or body system station we have is the muscular system. We are fortunate enough to have quite a few medicine balls over here. The red ones are 2 pounds, the white ones are, yellow ones are 6, and the blue ones are 8. So what the students do is they grab a medicine ball one at a time. Now they simply go up and over the mats, stepping on or jumping over, usually stepping on. Even the older kids, you have to remind them to step on. So they go up and over. And now they place it into the hula hoop color that matches the medicine ball, turn around, run back in between the blue and the red line, grab another ball, and they repeat until all of the medicine balls are down to the other end. The younger kids, they're trying to go down. The older kids, I'm having them go down and back. So the medicine balls go back to where they started. Our last station is our nervous system, our brain. Last week we did numbers 1 through 10. This week we changed it up and we're doing letters. So A through, I think it's roughly J or so, the first 10 letters of the alphabet. So they have to run out, flip over a card. If it's the letter of the alphabet, they leave it up. Like for example, that's an A. I lucked out. We would leave that up. We'd run back. So I'd leave it up. I'd run back. I would high five the next person in line. Then I'd come over to our cup stacking station and I would do a specific cup stacking sequence. The younger kids are doing 4 sets of 3 or 3-3-3. Second and third grade, I think, is going to do a 3-6-3, and fourth and fifth is going to do either a 1-10-1 or a 2 stacks of 6. If the card that you find is not the correct letter in the alphabet, you simply flip it back over. For example, if I would run out and I would find the B, which isn't right, I'd flip it over, then I would run back and high five. After I'm done cup stacking, I would come back and stand in line and wait my turn until it is ready to go. So that's our Strengthening Our Systems 2 station. It's Friday, it's cooperative, it's lots of action, lots of fun. Up on the screen I still have the diagrams up there and I have the timers going. At each station I have a reward that if their team achieves their goal, they go ahead and grab one of those. So I have the brains there for the nervous system. I have the ribs there for the skeletal system. I have the picture of the digestive tract for the digestive system. And obviously I have over here, I have the muscles for the pictures of the muscular system. Each group has a specific color. One of them are assigned the duty to grab one of their reward cards if they achieve their goal. They simply come over and they place it on their team scoreboard, and then they go to the next station. So again, strengthening our stations 2. It's Friday, it's cooperative. Kids love it. I really like it. I'm so glad. Hopefully you can find this entertaining and educational, and hopefully infuse it into your PE curriculum or class. Feel free to contact me if you have any further questions. I'll leave my Twitter handle on the comments of this one. Also, I'll put my email is out there also in social media. Talk to you later. Thanks for watching.